In 1955, an amazing man named Walt Disney dreamt of a magic kingdom.
Happy place, welcome. Disneyland is your land. Here age relives fond memories of the past, and here youth may savor the challenge and promise of the future. Disneyland is dedicated to the ideals, the dreams, and the hard facts that have created America, with the hope that it will be a source of joy and inspiration for all the world.
Your attention, please. Disneyland Limited, now leaving for a grand circle tour of the Magic Kingdom.
Disneyland's Main Street Electrical Parade.
The gods have been angered by all this celebrating.